So how do we teach a choreography in pre-primary? There are 7 steps which are very important to be followed every time you teach a choreography. Yeah, starting with the step 1. So what is the step 1 is you have to make sure that you have 100% attention of the class. What we have noticed, then a lot of time only 50% of children are looking at you when you start teaching something new. That will not work at all, because if you have only half the class with you, the other half will start disturbing. Yeah, and the whole effort you're putting in teaching will go in waste. So before you start teaching, you have to do something that all the eyes are on you. So what do? Very simple. Either you say put your hands up, put your hands down. My favorite things, and I say take 2 fingers, clean your ears. Now listen to me carefully. So doing certain movements grabs their attention. A lot of time, even after doing this, there will be 2 or 3 children only who will not be looking at you. So what do you do with those 2 or 3 children? Yeah, you just have to take their name and start talking. So it's very important to know their name. You snap. If they're in first few lines, you just snap. Go there closer and snap, and they look at you. So this is the way you would get your class ready so that you can teach a new concept. Going to step number 2, which is in our curriculum, every song has story. Yeah, there is some concept which is delivered through dance. So for this, to create interest in the song, you start telling the story. For example, you say H2O song or the water song. You know who likes drinking water? We all like drinking water, right? What else do we do with water? We take bath. So what happens is this creates interest in the song. Very important, don't take this section for very long, because this is not a storytelling class. This is a dance class. Yeah, so make sure the introduction is short and sweet, just enough to create an interest. Coming to the step number 3, which is all our song, there are actions with the lyrics. Yeah, so with some lyrics in the song, there will be a definite action. Example, I'll keep taking example of H2O song. Yeah, for example, H2O. Yeah, then we have bubbles in the water. Yeah, we have take a bath every day, where you bend down and put your hands up. So you say take a bath every day has an action, bubbles has an action, H2 has an action. So what we do is we start telling the story and start using the words which are in the song. Yeah, and start introducing the action. Now here, when you are doing the action, the children needs to copy you and they need to do it along. So it's not that you're doing and they're just watching and listening to you. You say, no, come on, do it, bubbles, show me bubble. In our song, there are bubbles. Yeah, so you make sure they're doing the action with you. So that we finish the 3rd part, which is word action association. Going to the 4th step, which is in our song, there are just steps. Yeah, like the H2O song has hands here and you shuffle your legs, which you can't see now, but you shuffle your legs. Yeah, the other step in H2O is you jump and tap, you jump and tap. So these are basically simple steps. So after that, you introduce in a song that could be 4 or 5 steps, but when you're teaching the song the first time or the second time, every time you introduce 2 steps and clean them. Yeah, don't introduce all the steps and start cleaning all the steps. So that finishes the step part. Unlike a primary class or a secondary class where we teach the choreography in chunks, right? First bar of 8, 2 bars of 8. In primary, we don't do that. Yeah, what do we do in pre-primary? In pre-primary, we teach the whole song at one go. When the song is playing, you just cannot be shut and not say anything and do the whole choreography. While they are doing the choreography, you have to give them reminders and pointers. So keep talking and keep giving correction while doing the choreography. What do you see when they're doing the choreography? Lot of time I have seen teachers that they finish the choreography and they just do it again, yeah, without giving any correction. What is the point of doing the choreography 10 times and you don't give any correction? Yeah. So when they're doing the choreography, you have to keep an eye on what correction you're going to give after the choreography. Yeah, so you just cannot do it again without giving any single correction. So as soon as you finish doing the choreography, the next step, how you grabbed attention the first time, this is the time when you will lose attention of children. Yeah, because what happens, as soon you finish the choreography, children feel, oh, it's time to do whatever you want to do, and they start talking and running around. So this is a time, again, immediately the song gets over. It's okay, neat dancer. Show me neat dancer. Come on, everybody on the line. Everybody in the line. Everybody. Show me what is blade hand. Show me what is jazz hand. You immediately say something, engage them, and just don't let them loose. Yeah. So the sixth step is again grabbing their attention. Now I told you, while they were doing the choreography, you were observing what was missing. Time to fill up the gap. So the seventh and very important point is correcting steps or just reinforcing steps. Again, you reinforce some of the step. So these are the 7 points which you need to follow when you teach a choreography. Yeah, a lot of time what we see is some teachers are not grabbing 100% attention. You just start the class. Sometimes you do the choreography without talking or without reinforcing. Sometimes you finish the choreography, and as soon as you finish the choreography, the class is all over the place. So each step, if you follow systematically, it will help you to manage the class better, and you will see they learn beautifully.